it's Lynette here, and I have my cleaning empties. So the bag is quite full. Now there is a reason for that, and I will tell you that in a minute. But I kind of haven't used as much as it looks like I've used. So I'll go through and I'll tell you. So we had a new boiler fitted because we run out of hot water. It was a it wasn't a combi boiler, and I've only ever had a combi boiler before, and I'm terrible. I just couldn't program the hot water. I could program it, but I just couldn't program it, you know, and make sure I was getting it right, because, you know, like maybe Brandon would be coming in from work and Steve would be in from work, and you know, there would be me. So I just kept the hot water on all the time. So it's probably a waste of money, but I thought, right, okay, the hot water stopped. So we managed to get a temporary fix until they came to fit the new combi boiler. So in order to kind of fit it, the guy that came round to the house had said to Steve, it's in like the wee utility room that we've got. So he said if you could remove the worktop and the cupboard that's in there, that would make the job a lot easier. So Steve removed all that. And then my whole whole breakfast, I've got like a long breakfast bar, and it comes out where the two stools are. That was covered in cleaning products, and I also had to take the cleaning products out from under the sink so they could get in and turn the water on and off. So I just took it all out. And then I kind of discovered that I had a lot of doublers, a lot of things that could be finished up quite quickly. So that's why there's probably a wee bit more in here. And there was things that I'd forgotten I'd had, so I used them up. So that's probably why there's a wee bit more than there usually is. So I'm going to go through them. And last time I put my empties up, I didn't do very well. So we'll see on how the views go, and if it keeps continuing to do poorly, I probably won't continue to film it. But I know some of you enjoy watching it, so I don't know. Let me know if you still want to watch it, and if I shouldn't really care about the numbers of people that are coming to view a video. As long as people are coming to watch what they want, isn't that probably the point? So, elbow grease, all-purpose degreaser for fabrics, metals, plastics. The only cleaner you'll ever need, solvent-free. This is fantastic, really good in the kitchen as well. I think I heard about it from a Facebook page or an Instagram page that I was using, and it's really good. Really like the product, and it's one of the products that I do replace regularly in the kitchen, but I think I've still got a few of them, so it'll be a wee while. I'm trying to be good. I'm doing a low buy. Couldn't commit to a no buy because I know what I'm like, but I am trying to only buy what I need. So when I kind of do my February kind of roundup of what I need in the house, I'm going to try and only buy what I need, rather than just going to the shops and buying, I need shower gel, I need this, I need that, I need the next, I need this cleaner, when I've got them. So this is a good one. Flash with bleach, tough stain removal, hygiene, fresh scent and tough stain removal, 3-in-1, 750 mils. So this is kind of like cheap as chips as well. I'm not keen on a bleachy smell too often, but I do tend to use this more in the bathroom for some reason. I don't know why, than I do in the kitchen, but yep, it's okay. I prefer the Sillet Bang with bleach, but that's cheaper, and I picked it up. Now I've been kind of doing, oh, some things in here. I just pop on the list when Steve goes to the shops, pick me up some laundry kind of capsules or laundry liquid or whatever. But he picked me up the Alma Premium 3-in-1 non-bio laundry capsules. It was really nice. It's got a pre-wash, a wash and a conditioner. So they were really nice, really nicely scented as well. To go along with that, I think he picked me up the liquid, but I don't know if that's in here, but I'll hopefully dig it out. So Vanish Oxy Action, instant action on stains. It's a fabric stain remover. So I had quite a few stains to remove when my son came to stay. He brought up t-shirts that were kind of had stains on them, and it was kind of like, Mum, can you fix them? So Mum kind of worked her magic. So I brought out the Vanish Oxy Action, which is supposed to be good for clothes, like coloured clothes, but I wouldn't use it on coloured clothes, just too paranoid. This is the Power Force toilet liquid rim that Steve picks up when he goes to Aldi. They're not my favourite things, but I use them. We've got the blue one at the moment, and that smells quite nice. The Fabulosa disinfectant lemon sherbet. And I love lemon. But, right, this is going to sound a wee bit weird, but every time I used it, I thought, was there a hint of pee? I don't know why. It's weird. I don't know. I kind of got a real kind of ammonia. Yeah, maybe it's me. Let me know if you smelt this, and if there is a kind of slight pee scent. It kind of put me off. Yep, my Sillet Bang bleach and hygiene. If you're cleaning the top of your cupboards, just spray this on, leave it, come back. The grease and the grime, it is honestly gone. The first time I tried this, it kind of blew me away. So, and it also, I've been using the soap scourers, and it just takes so long, and then they go rusty, you have to get a new one. But that, I sprayed it on and then wiped it, and it honestly, it just transformed cleaning the top of your cupboards. So I've always got these, the colour absorbers. I pick up various different ones. There isn't one that I think is better than the other. So keeps whites. I never, I probably say it on all my videos, but I show you this. I am obsessive with my washing. So I will use this if I'm doing a black wash and there's maybe something, or say I'm doing a blue wash and there's like a slight white check on a pair of jammy bottoms. I'll pop these in so they don't turn kind of blue. And it's amazing what it picks up, even from old clothes as well. So yeah, I do recommend them. Oh, from Morrison's, Go Between Flossing Harp. It's like a half moon, and then it's got a stick, so you can floss, and then it's like a toothpick, but it's called a harp apparently. There you go. I've got crowns and the floss just isn't enough for me, so I use the interdental sticks. Everyday antibacterial floor wipes, Citrus Burst. I think I got these from Home Bargains. Never ever flush your wipes, by the way. Always put them down in the bin. Power Force. There's always a bleach in here. Oh, I was so gutted when this finished. Fluffy Towels by Yankee Candle. And look at this. It's so pretty. I think I might actually keep it and pop something else in it. But I was really lucky, if you can see in the background. My son picked me up one for Christmas. But I got this as a gift from Antonia's mum. She had given it to Antonia and asked if I would use it. And it's absolutely stunning. It's my favourite. I just hadn't even thought I would like it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. But I think I might keep the wee jar and use it to put some other kind of future things in it. Get a refill. This Cyclax Natural Pure Coconut Soap. It's nice. It was about 29p from Home Bargains. I picked up the Dove Pink Soap. I think it was a pack of 4. So I'm currently using that. It's really nice. Feels nice and moisturising on your hands. The Old Faithful Colgate Triple Action. Go through a lot of toothpaste in this house. And yet, when I was talking about stains, I actually had 2 tubs of these open, so I just popped one into the other one. But what I had to do with a lot of Stephen's tops was one of them was kind of like glutered in what looked like mud. He said that it come down from something on his t-shirt. So I like the wee scoop. I made up a paste and rubbed it in. So it's got the little bits at the bottom that you can rub it in. And that seemed to help, so I washed it a few times like that. Didn't get it all out, to be honest with you. Never found anything that gets it all out. But it made it wearable. You couldn't actually see the stain unless you looked. Oh, here's the shampoo that matches the other conditioner. The Herbal Essences, White Strawberry and Sweet Mint. Conditioner, I popped that shampoo in my Beauty Empties. So I was looking for I was looking for that and it wasn't there. Oh, these are the little, I got these in a Home Bargains haul. I can't remember what brand they are. But I just, yep, that's unfinished now. So this is filled with liquid. You squeeze the back. I got a 3-pack, but they smell gorgeous. But that's it finished. I'm talking about my interdental brushes. These ones are wire free, they're plastic, which is quite nice. I've got ones with wire in it at the moment, they're not the best. So this is fine for small gaps. There you go. Another, oh, antacids. Sainsbury's Healthcare orange flavoured antacid tablets. They're really nice, the orange ones. We usually just get the minty ones, but the orange ones were lovely. Carex. I use this to fill up the hand soap beside the sink and in the downstairs loo. I am trying to use soap more. So the soap, I've got soap dispensers in each of the 3 toilets that I've got. But I keep one in the downstairs loo and one in the kitchen for people to wash their hands with. So I don't want to leave a bar of soap by the kitchen sink. This is absolutely gorgeous. This came from Aldi and it's called Cherry Pie, and it's absolutely stunning. And actually, you know, you would think there was maybe one more use in there, but I don't think there is. So yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love cherry, but really strong as well. You know how some cheap candles, the scent is just in the top, but that was gorgeous all the way through. I got this from Aldi as well, Hotel Collection number 14 Velvety Rose, and it was a reed diffuser. There we go. Got the reeds here, so it kind of sits like this. It's nice. I would repurchase. And last but not least, this little Yankee Candle wax melts in autumn fruit. Now, I'm quite new to wax melts, so can anybody tell me, you put your wax melt in, you burn it, how long do you leave it? Does it stop smelling eventually and you change it, or do you just let it all burn down? I know you can empty it, but I don't know if you empty it because the smells run out or you're just fed up of it. So yeah, advice and comments below would be really helpful. So that's my empties, and thanks for sticking by me, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye guys.